The system we can adopt now about this, let's say they use card now, scratch card to do our collection. It's a very good system, and it captures a lot more people than we used to capture, and it will increase our tax base. It will increase our tax base. I make us adopt that system. So, say when you just start something, you will small by small. Now we will get where we go. But I think there is progress. The February allocation for March 2019, the total gross allocation is 2,582,596,600 naira 47 kobo. The teachers and non-teachers allocation is 1,102,649,372 naira 43 kobo. The pension contribution for the period is 276,144,513 naira 54 kobo. The pension arrears paid is 100 million. The total deduction from local government councils is 1,688,231,322 naira 38 kobo. The net allocation to LGAs is 894,365,278 naira 9 kobo. The total amount transferred to LGAs is 881,452,295 naira 9 kobo. The total IGR for the month of March is 354,348,936 naira 65 kobo. Thank you very much.